So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone overheating issue on iOS 16.2 or any iOS 16 update. Lot of iPhone user reported that after update the new iOS 16 update they are facing overheating and battery draining issue. So in this video I will show you how to fix overheating issue on your iPhone. There are few steps you need to follow that to fix the overheating issue on your iPhone. Let's start video without wasting any time. Firstly, move to the step 1. Step 1 is never use your iPhone when you are charging your iPhone or your iPhone connected with your charge port. Okay, this is the basic reason that your iPhone overheating. So move to the next step. The next step is make sure you don't have any pending iOS update. If you have any pending iOS update, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and then fix that issue. Okay, now move to the next step. The next step is never update your iPhone to the beta update, because beta have lot of bugs on iPhone update. Always update your iPhone to the official iOS update. So move to the next step. The next step, that check your iPhone need to repair. If your iPhone need to repair, just repair your iPhone and then easily use and fix the overheating issue. So friends, by doing that simple step you can easily fix the overheating issue on your iPhone. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue. If you have any hardware issue, just contact to the near Apple store and fix that issue. So friends, after watching this video I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone overheating issue on any iOS update, especially iOS 16. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.